Imagine a world where machines assist us, not just in their old familiar ways, but through constant improvement, writing, coding, searching, even holding conversations. AI systems keep advancing, getting better at specific tasks, but it's easy to misunderstand what this really means. It's tempting to think of replacement as a sudden event, a moment when one system simply steps aside for another. But progress isn't dramatic or abrupt. Instead, think of it as tools evolving, step by step. AI doesn't arrive and replace. It grows and adapts, with newer models handling pieces of our work faster, smarter, and sometimes in ways that surprise us. Yet, some challenges persist. It's not enough for an AI to excel at one task. The need remains for systems that can understand context, adapt to real moments, explain and reason through mistakes, and interact safely and reliably with millions. These are not trivial hurdles. They demand ongoing attention and creative solutions. So, when you wonder whether one AI will replace another, or if assistants will disappear altogether, consider the practical journey. Instead of disappearing, assistants transform. New versions improve what the last ones could do. The way we use them changes, but the idea doesn't vanish. AI is a tool, evolving with us, never fully replacing, always reshaping the partnership. The future of AI is not a finish line, but a winding path. Understanding this helps us approach each advance with wisdom, curiosity, and confidence in the role these systems play. Ultimately, it's about evolution, not revolution.